Hey everybody, Johnny Plumber here. So last Tuesday, Now Lifestyle launched an amazing product. It's called GotBackup. And so I came online and I shared with everyone about the launch of this amazing product. And so GotBackup has just taken off. I don't know what else to say. It's taken off like a train leaving a station, like a freight train leaving a station, and there's no stopping it. It's an amazing opportunity. But I mentioned in my videos that I posted online that if you're interested, you could sign up for free and lock your position into the Powerline. And I just wanted to make a quick video to explain what that means. I know I would say about 95% of the people who saw my video on Facebook or on YouTube just kind of pretty much ignored it. They're probably saying, hey, that's just something that Johnny is doing. I'm sharing it because I do believe that I found value in backing up my files on the cloud, and I believe it can be valuable to you also. But also there's an opportunity for you to not only get the service for free, but to make some additional income if you're interested. And so what does it mean to lock your position into the Powerline? So this is groundbreaking, and this is what's getting me excited because I've never seen anything like this. And if anyone has seen a company that has done anything like this, you could probably leave me a comment to tell me about it. But here it is. They have something called the Infinity Matrix, right, which is their compensation plan. Now, in order for you to get into the Infinity Matrix, you have to lock your position into the Powerline. How the Powerline works is the first person that signs up with the company is right on top, number one spot. Then you have the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, right? That's the Powerline. So what they have done is they have given you the opportunity for free to put your name and your email into the form and lock your position into the Powerline. And so there are just literally hundreds of people coming into this thing every single hour since it launched. And the power of the Powerline is this. If you decide to lock your position in the Powerline, and you're like, let me sit around for 2 months and see what's happening with this opportunity. And then 2 months down the road, you're like, oh my goodness, it's not a scam. It's a real opportunity. I want in. Because you have locked your position in 2 million people ago, when you do become a paid member, you leapfrog right back up to that position that you did. That's the power of locking in your position in the Powerline. I've never seen any other company done it. And so if you refuse to lock your position into the Powerline, you're going to have multiple people. And as you can see on the Powerline that I'm showing here, there's just tens of thousands of people coming into this business. They're going in and they're locking in their position. And what we're seeing from a statistical standpoint, it's like a 45 to 50% conversion rate. That means up to 50% of persons who have locked their position into the Powerline end up becoming members because they see the value in it. So what's the advantage of locking in your position early in the Powerline? I was on a meeting with the CEO and owner of the company last week, and he explained it to us. He said, listen, the people who lock their positions into the Powerline early and enter the Infinity Matrix early, they're going to be in a good spot, because as the company does its own promotion and tens of thousands of people coming into this operation, we're going to have millions of people coming into GotBackup. So we're going to have tons of spillovers, that's extra people, and we're going to place them in the matrix below those persons who have locked in their positions early. So that's the advantage, right? So it makes sense to do it. And so here's the last thing I want to say. I can't tell you how many times I've been online and I've seen people saying, oh, I remember when Bitcoin in 2009, 2010, when Bitcoin was like 20 cents. I wish I had bought 100. Where right now Bitcoin is $28,000. That ship sailed, right? I remember years ago I was talking to a really nice lady and her family, and she said, my dad and a couple of his friends decided to start a company. And just as they were about to launch the company, my dad backed out of it. Well, that company was IBM. And she said for years and years and years, he's just kicking himself for not just sticking with it or jumping in early. And so that's the opportunity that you have here to lock your position into the Powerline. Now, I'm going to be completely transparent with you. When you lock your position into the Powerline, yes, the company is going to send you emails. They're not going to send you a ton of emails. Maybe they'll send you 2 emails for the day, or maybe most 3 emails reminding you to take action. That's it. And if you get the first or the second or the third email and you're frustrated with the emails coming in, you can simply go in there and just unsubscribe. That's it. That's the only thing. You lock in for free. The company sends you an email reminding you that you could go to viewmypowerline.com, plug in that email, and you'll see your position in the Powerline, and you'll see how many people are coming in below you. And that's it. You'll see what's happening in the back office of the operation, what's going on. And so it's pretty transparent here. So Johnny Plumber just wanted to do this quick little explanation to let you know the importance of locking in your position. Look, I hate to be a seller. I hate to be trying to convince people to do things, but I find value, and I'm grateful to some of my friends and a few of my family members that took action last week, because you guys are locked into the Powerline. Watch and see what's going to happen. You're going to be so happy. Again, Johnny Plumber out. Take care.